Rate. Decades of innovation combining German precision machinery, Austrian thermal efficiency, Swiss crystal.
Sophisticated thermal sensor array uses near-infrared spray imaging and machine vision to detect This sophisticated machine spins at 3,000 RPM, generating centrifugal force 800 times greater.
Crystal clear golden clarified juice flows smoothly into intermediate holding. An inline refractometer.
The juice in the first vessel is boiling vigorously.
No. And look how thick it is already in the third. Almost.
Coordinates. This represents precision control at a molecular level, impossible for human operators to achieve manually.
The Swiss-made BMA vertical continuous vacuum pan system represents the pinnacle of crystallization.
We're past the 200 micron mark, approaching the target nicely. And the distribution remains tight. The agitation is working perfectly.
The current mean of 420 microns indicates we are right on schedule for completion.
The laser analyzer shows a narrow peak centered at 585 microns, indicating excellent uniformity.
24 identical German-engineered BMA batch centrifuges arranged in 4 precise rows, creating wash of water injection system activates as precisely timed high-pressure pulses of hot purified water spray through special nozzles.
Wet sugar crystals from centrifuge discharge flow via enclosed screw conveyor into first stage of 3-stage drying.
Partially dried sugar at 0.3% moisture and elevated 65 degrees Celsius temperature flows onto vibrating fluid bed cooler as perforated metal deck vibrates.
Dried cooled sugar flows into automated silo system, consisting of 6 towering cylindrical steel.
The ultrasonic sealing station creates a perfect hermetic seal. It then advances to the printing station for a QR.
4 bright yellow KUKA robotic arms move with fluid grace, executing a choreographed dance. Each robot
Shipping operations begin as the warehouse management system receives customer orders electronically, triggering the
orders. This state-of-the-art biorefinery produces 500,000 tons of refined sugar annually, while consuming 60.
Facility sets global benchmark for responsible manufacturing, proving that environmental stewardship and economic success.
The pressure reading on line 4 is fluctuating slightly.
It's within tolerance, but we should monitor the throughput closely.
Status update on the evaporator alert.
Parameters are normalizing, Supervisor. System is stable.
The facility's strategic importance in the global food supply chain provides an essential ingredient consumed daily by billions.
Modern manufacturing facilities can coexist harmoniously with communities.
From this vantage point, we see our shared responsibility to ensure a sustainable future for this fragile blue marble.
Close-up reveals individual centrifuge mechanical details as massive perforated stainless steel basket measures 6 feet. At full 1850 RPM operating speed, centrifugal force reaches 800 times Earth gravity.
Sequence begins as the variable frequency drive controls the speed reduction following a program.
Reporting moisture content currently 0.02%, color value 43 icotome SA units, mean crystal size.
All 12 tested parameters show green status indicators. The technician reviews the results, noting sugar transfers from quality-approved holding hopper through enclosed pneumatic conveying system as filtered compressed air at 2-bar pressure.
An ultrasonic sealing head descends, generating high-frequency vibrations that cause the plastic to melt and fuse.
This video is for educational purposes, creating using AI tools like Google View 3 and Group AI with editing in CapCut. Information is from public sources. Visual are AI generated and enhanced from storytelling, not real factory footage. All content is original and follows YouTube monetization policies.